The following video is a step-by-step guide on what our customers can expect when using the Simply Install service. A member of our customer service team
Good morning, is that Mrs. Rowley?
will contact the customer to arrange important dates, starting with the installation survey. A professional surveyor will then visit the property to confirm measurements and identify any potential issues. At this stage, the customer will pass the key documents folder to the installation team, who will keep it updated throughout the project. The customer's installation order will be delivered by our premium two-man delivery service, either on the installation start date or a couple of days before. On the scheduled start date, the installation team will arrive to prepare the property. Team members will wear shoe covers when working inside, and protective plastic covers will be laid on the floors. The first step is to remove the old bathroom, with all waste responsibly disposed of in our sustainable hippo skips. Next, any necessary plumbing and electrical work will be completed. Following this, the team will board and tank the area to ensure the bathroom is fully watertight. The installation of the new bathroom products will then begin. These products are stored at our warehouse until required, meaning the customer doesn't need to worry about storage. Once the new bathroom is in place, the tiling process will commence. Upon completion, our friendly team will clean the space thoroughly. The entire process is overseen by a dedicated account manager who coordinates all team members on behalf of the customer.
I'm just giving you a quick courtesy call to make sure everything went okay. Yep.
Once the customer is satisfied, the project will be signed off and the key documents folder will be returned.